You wake up in the middle of an abandoned fortress. Broken swords, fallen flags, and scattered footprints mark a battlefield that's long gone quiet. You're not alone. There are others, roaming, observing. But here's the twist. No one speaks. I am the Darklight Mentor, and to grasp this truth, we'll drop you into a place where no one listens to what you say. A masked figure walks toward you, slow and calm, eyes steady. No aggression, no fear, but everyone moves out of their way. You watch closely. It's not their strength that commands respect. It's their self-respect. Their boundaries are visible without being announced. They don't overreact. They don't chase approval. They don't fill silence to stay comfortable. In this world, attention doesn't follow the loud. It follows the anchored. And suddenly, you see it. Every time you've over-explained in real life, every time you laughed at a joke that cut too deep, every time you shrank yourself to make others feel bigger, you taught them you were okay with less. You wander deeper into the fortress. In one hall, you see mirrors that reflect not your face, but your habits. One mirror flashes a moment you said yes when you meant no. Another shows you chasing validation. Another, holding your tongue when your values were crossed. And you understand what this place is revealing. The rule isn't about arrogance or pretending to be above others. It's about consistency. The quiet inner stance that says, I don't disrespect myself to be liked by you. That rule shapes everything around you. Whether you speak it aloud or not, you approach a room with a single door. It reads, enter only if you choose yourself first. You reach for the handle, but it doesn't budge. Not until you drop the bag you didn't realize you were carrying. People's opinions, guilt, pressure to please, fake smiles. One by one, you let them fall. And with every piece dropped, your reflection in the metal sharpens. Not tougher, just clearer. You open the door. Inside is nothing fancy, just a chair and a window. But now, when others pass by, they pause. Not because of anything you say, but because something in you says, I don't chase, I don't beg, I don't pretend. That tone echoes louder than any voice. You leave the fortress not with a script, but with a stance. The rule is simple, but powerful. If you want people to respect you without words, respect yourself relentlessly when no one's watching. Your silence can be louder than your explanations. Your boundaries can teach louder than your opinions. And when you master how you move, you won't need to speak unless you choose to. That's presence, that's power, that's respect without demand. We move at dawn.